Yeah, hey guys, this is gonna be my first video on this channel. Now, I wanna review and unbox this Prophecy Empire made by Empire loader. It's for paintball. So yeah, let me go right here through the specs of it. Here's the box. It has the push mechanism, the anti-jam system. It's supposedly they say it's lightweight. It's sound activated and it's radio frequency. It's push mechanism because it doesn't need any bolts or screws or nothing. Here's the box from the top, from the back. Here it just tells you like the parts and all that. But on the bottom it just tells you how much it cost. It actually cost me about $100. If you guys, let me see if you guys can see that. Yeah, I got $100. Yeah, pretty much it. Let's get this unboxed. Comes in this pretty nice box. Comes in this soft paper. Let me get this box out of the way. Alright, as you guys can see, I already had to open it and stuff. I already played with it once. I actually played really good with it. I have an invert and it was actually keeping up pretty good. I put in a speed feed for it. It's the Prophecy quick load kit. It was $20. It's pretty good. So yeah, here it is. Give you a quick rundown. It has two buttons to set it up, an off and on button, like switch. It has an aluminum feed neck. That's actually very good because I've broken a lot of feed necks. So yeah, let me take it apart for you guys so you see that you don't need any screws or nothing. It doesn't have any screws, I mean. The batteries, it takes 4 AA batteries, but what I really like is that you can take it off and buy an adapter that you put a 9-volt or 2 9-volts, I mean. And yeah, it'll actually make it heavier, but I don't know, just for those kind of people that like it. But yeah, see, as you see it in there, take everything apart without any screws or nothing. Everything's magnet. You see it has 2 magnets there. Let me take it off for you. Yeah, here's the little motor, the mechanism, and the batteries. There's really nothing to it. Put it here back together for you guys real fast. It's actually pretty cool. You just align it up here, and if you align it up good, the rest of it will actually just fall into place. But you need to start off with this one. I just took off part of the speed feed. Alright. Hold on. I'll put it back together and I'll be back. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. It's pretty easy. I was just missing a little cable that I forgot. But yeah, I'll give you a little. This is actually pretty good. When you're out of battery on the field, this actually comes very handy. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm probably gonna have another unboxing / review probably next week on the iPhone 4S, because I should be getting in the white one and the black one. So yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe up here, comment down there, rate, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. So yeah, thank you for watching.